Have you ever watched a TikTok? A Korean. Well, people are very creative. So you have a sand. You put water, and then you 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 have a ball. Well, do you see that?
I haven't seen that one.
I did see that one,
You watch a lot
but
of TikTok.
a lot. Well,
Really?
TikTok. Yeah, some TikTok was funny.
I see. TikTok not good. Not good.
Ah,
Huh?
well, sometimes, not every day.
TikTok makes your attention span shorter. Did you know that?
Yeah, I know that. But I watched a lot of YouTuber us talking about the TikTok. That make me more like it, but not some YouTuber, but saying Vietnamese. No, I never watched that. I watched them talking about English.
English TikTok, huh?
Yeah, they watch TikTok, and there's some YouTuber watching TikTok, and they follow it and see how it's work. So it's not work, but it's work.
Uh,
Well, I saw that. It was very funny.
nice. Okay, now let's continue.